Hello, dear students. Today, proposition 17, which states, in any triangle, the sum of any two angles is always less than two right angles. Okay? So given is a triangle, and we need to prove that the sum of any two angles is always less than two right angles. To do this proposition, we're going to go to our bag of knowledge. I'm going to tell you in advance. Remember, we proved that the exterior angle is greater than either interior angle. The exterior angle here is greater than either of these. We proved that. And then we also proved that if a straight line be set on a straight line, creating adjacent angles, those adjacent angles are either two right angles or equal to two right angles. And then we're going to do another fun thing. This is cool. You know how we say that two things equal to the same thing or equal to each other? Two things equal to the same thing or equal to each other? Well, if you have two things and they're unequal to the same thing, and one of them is equal, and say the other one is less, that is also less than the other object, which is equal to it. So if this is less than this, and this is equal to this, this is also less than this. Said another way, if this is equal to this, and this is greater than this is also greater than this. Okay? So we'll do that one more time. If this is equal to this, and this is greater than this is also greater than this. It's a derivation of two things being equal to the same thing or equal to each other. Let's do the proposition. Let's extend one of the sides of the triangle. And we'll put a green here to not mess it up. That creates an exterior angle. And we know that that exterior angle is greater than either of the opposite interior angles. Let's just hold right now then and say that it's greater than this one. We know that it is, so let's just focus that it's greater than this one. This angle is greater than this one because this is an opposite interior angle to this exterior angle. Remember, this is adjacent. We're not saying anything about adjacent, okay? This is greater than this. We know that. Let's add this angle to both sides. So if this is greater than this and we add equals to both sides, we know that this and this are going to be greater than this and this because we added equals to both sides. But look here, we have a straight line falling upon a straight line, creating adjacent angles equal to each other. Therefore, we know that this and this are either two right angles or equal to two right angles. Well, if this and this are equal to two right angles, and this are greater than this and this, two right angles are also greater than this and this, which is to say, this angle and this angle are less than two right angles. Now, for the same reason, we can show that this angle is greater than this and this. Let me just do it very quickly. It's exterior. This is an interior and opposite angle to this exterior angle. So this is less than this. Okay, let's add this to both sides. So this and this would be greater than this and this. That is to say, this and this would be less than this and this. But this and this are equal to two right angles. So this and this are also less than two right angles because this and this are less than this and this, and this are equal to two rights. So this and this are also less than two right angles. So we proved it for these two angles and these two angles. The only other way we can add the angles together, as far as I can think right now, are this and this. Let's add these two together. But to do that, let's extend this space. Great. Same way, we know that this is greater than this because this is an interior and opposite angle, and this is the exterior angle, and one of the sides be extended. Great. Let's add this to both sides. This and this then are going to be greater than this and this, but this and this, because you have a straight line falling upon a straight line, are going to be equal to two right angles. So since this and this are less than this and this, and this are equal to two right angles, this and this are also less than two right angles. So we proved it for these two, and these two. Therefore, we have shown that in any triangle, any two angles added together are going to be less than two right angles. Quod erat demonstrandum, that which was to be demonstrated. Thank you. Bye.